You move it so you get a better view, and it's just.
I'm sorry, what was that? Hi guys, that girl Waffles here, and I'm very excited. Shut up, bitch! I'm super excited to finally.
Whack.
Oh my god! I hate you. I am finally getting to build my PC all together at once. So this has been a collective thing for a very long time. So I'm finally getting to build my PC. He's gonna teach me how. Mr. What was your nickname again?
Secret Agent Steve.
Secret Agent Steve is gonna be helping me out with building my PC. So I'm gonna do a fun little time lapse. We'll see what happens, because I don't know nothing. I don't know jack shit about PCs, and I'm gonna be building one. So, yeah.
What?
No, just playing with my song.
Really? Oh, I thought you said, you said thank you, and I was like, what? And you were like, oh, just playing with myself. That's what I heard. And I was like, what?
This whole entire time.
Oh. There's arrows.
Right. So this whole entire time we've been arguing about which side this fan goes, and it's fucking arrows right there. Fucking A.
Sometimes can use a mouse, but it's just still be able to use a keyboard.
Okay, well, let's turn it on. Okay, it's plugged in.
Do you want to press the button?
I do.
I can't remember if that's on or off, so if it doesn't turn on, don't panic.
Okay. No.
Hold up before you do it.
Oh.
I wanted to look to see if anything was touching the thing real quick. Okay, no, we're solid. So it's right there.
It's just
So you pressed it?
Yeah, I pressed it.
Press it once. I don't see any lights. Alright, so. Still don't see any lights. Oh, press it again. Here we go.
Press and hold.
No, you don't need to hold it. You should just. Alright, we're missing something. What are we forgetting?
I don't know.
Are you sure that power?
Hey guys. Okay, so this is what happened with the PC. So everything was working fine and dandy, and then me and
Secret Agent Steve.
Secret Agent Steve found out that the motherboard, the first one that we got, so the motherboard that I got has 4 slots for RAMs. 2 of them were DOAs, and the other 2 were working. So it was kind of like, okay, well, we'll just order a new one, you know, send the old one back, because it's, you know, it's screwed. So we got the second motherboard, and it's the exact same problem. So either I happen to be the most unluckiest pastry in the world with her computer parts, or I have something's wrong with my RAMs. In the meantime, I'm just gonna stick with this motherboard. Whatever. I'm gonna probably buy other RAMs and experiment with it and stuff. But here's the power button. And ladies and gentlemen, she is alive. She is alive. And I am so excited. She actually works. I would show you that, you know, on the screen, but currently Mythic Saru from Angry Brothers is using my monitor for his channel, so it's not connected to the PC. But she works. She works. She works, and oh my god, my PC is bigger than his. But I'm so excited. Like, I finally have a working PC, and it's all put well together, and oh my god. I want to give special thanks to the friends who helped me in the process of making this, from everything from advice to actual parts to just like, you know, helping me build it together and stuff, because I am so not tech savvy. I am stupid as fuck. I am complete like bimbo to this, so I'm just happy that it works. It's a working computer. It's a working PC. And I can't wait to finally get her up and running and start editing and recording videos in her, and hopefully I can get this YouTube thing kind of up and running. Now I just need to actually buy mics and a proper sound system and like make a little studio, whatnot. I don't know. But yeah, that's it. You guys, I have a PC, and hopefully by the time I edit this video, it'll be edited on the new PC. Yeah. Okay.